Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will draw a beautiful rainbow colors airplane. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw his body. His back part. His wings. His body. His window. His second wing. Some clouds around the airplane. I use big marker to make this drawing more visible. Wow! Let's coloring in rainbow colors. First I use orange for these wings. Second wings, I use orange. I use pink for his body. I use sky blue for his windows, sea green, yellow, purple. I use light purple for his back. I use sea green for his clouds. Wow, it's looking very nice. I use pink. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.